Alright, how's it going, everybody? This is 2015 Panini Flawless Football. 2-box case break, pick your team number 6. Filled up on jaspyshopland.com. Thanks for joining, everybody. Here you go. Here are your teams. Yeah, he's back at his normal time at noon Pacific tomorrow. Alright, good luck. Here we go. We got Dodgers 2, Diamondbacks 4. Alright, good luck. Here we go. Hey, Mike Jaspy, were you the one who hung the banner? Look at it now. Just unbelievable. You gotta watch more HGTV or something for your DIY skills. Alright. Got tape stuck to the blade. Alright, not looking. I feel something hot in there, though. Alright, here we go. Flawless football time. First one up is for the Kansas City Chiefs. 15/15, Jamal Charles. Dirty patch auto. Wow, that's nice. 15/15, Jamal Charles. Who's got the Chiefs? Kansas City Chiefs hits. Going out to Daniel Patera. This is a nice one. 6/15, James Lofton. Inscriptions auto. For the Packers. Dave Marr with that. 6/15, Hall of Fame 03. Met this guy at the National last year. 18/20, Ricky Williams. 2-color patch auto for the Saints. That's going out to Ryan. We got a dual patch. 6/20, Jeremy Langford for the Chicago Bears. 6/20, Adam K. There you go with the Bears. Oh, wow. You had player break? Yeah, we should do a player break of this. 5/5, Jarvis Landry. 4-color patch for the Dolphins. Sean. 4-color patch, Jarvis Landry. Nice hit. Game worn, 4-color patch. We got a rookie auto of Brashad Perriman, 24/25. Baltimore Ravens hit. Scott, there you go. You guys can do the train whistle at home. And we got Aeneas Williams, 2/25. A little smear in the auto there for the Cardinals. Right there. Arizona Cardinals is Noah. Inscribed it and everything. Alright. That was the box. Now for the gem cards. First one is for the Eagles. 19/20, Ron Jaworski Diamond. Jaws. Philadelphia Eagles. That's Martine. Nice. 19/20. Flawless Diamond, Ron Jaworski. Get another gem card. It is for the Redskins. 7/15, Matt Jones. Ruby. Redskins is James. James Brandt with that. 7/15. Nice. And the big hit is, wow, 20/25 progression signature Jameis Winston for the Tampa Bay Bucks, going out to Alex V. Nice hit. 20/25. Nice one. Famous Jameis. Jameis Winston. I like the progression signatures. Those cards look pretty cool. 20/25. Nice. Alright, that was the first briefcase. On to the second one. Oh, nice. $2. That's your first ever break. What team you got, Bucks? Man. Not as cool as a train whistle. Oh, he's got the Eagles in this one. Nice. And the day I do the train whistles is the day I stop breaking. Although I did come up with it. Alright, good luck. Nice. Right on top, autograph on card 18 and 25, Team Panini for the Steelers. Jack Ham. Pittsburgh Steelers hit Chris V. Nice one. Ooh, nice patch auto. 3-color, 9 out of 15, Kevin White for the Bears. Chicago Bears hit Adam K. We got an auto. 10 out of 20, Heath Miller for the Steelers. Chris V with that one. Pittsburgh Steelers. Heath Miller. Heath. We got 22 of 25, Tevin Coleman. 22 out of 25, Atlanta Falcons hit James. Wow, this one's sick. We got for the Redskins, 20 of 20, flawless patch, Kirk Cousins. Wow, look at that patch. Where does that come from on his jersey? It says game worn. Redskins. James, nice hit. 20 of 20. Kirk Cousins. Nice patch. We got an auto for the Green Bay Packers. 19 of 25, Mark Chmura. Green Bay Packers hit is Dave Moore. 19 of 25. And we got for the Buffalo Bills, 1 out of 10, Carlos Williams. Progression signature. Bills hit going out to Jeff. 1 out of 10. Man. I'll remember that next time you break with me, Coco. I'll remember those words. Alright. We'll do this one first. For the Colts. 7 out of 15. For the Colts, Andrew Luck. Going out to JJP. Nice hit. 7 of 15. Andrew Luck. Red Ruby. Nice. Andy Luck. Coming up next. Boom. 1 out of 5, Amir Abdullah, Green Emerald. For the Detroit Lions. Harry, PHSMC, nice hit. 1 out of 5, Amir Abdullah. There you go. That is a nice one. 1 of 5. And the final hit of the break. This guy has been just absolutely destroying our breaks in the past month or so. 19 of 20. Patch auto, Peyton Manning. 19 of 20. 1 off the jersey number. There's some grass stains on the jersey. Peyton Manning, the Sheriff. Denver Broncos, Joseph P. Nice hit, JJP. 19 out of 20. Congrats. That is a nice card. Flawless Greats, patch auto. 19, 1 off the jersey number. Man, couldn't be 18 and 20. So there you go, guys. Awesome case there. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching on jaspyshobbyland.com. Even got the key in there, too. See you guys next time.